Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? This age-old question been boggling the minds of philosophers, scientists, and ordinary folks like you and me for centuries. It's a question that sparked countless debates, fueled scientific quests, and inspired myriad works of fiction. But what if the answer is closer than we think? Could the countless UFO sightings be the key to unlock this mystery? Let's venture together into the unknown and explore the theories surrounding extraterrestrial life. If you're as intrigued by the cosmos as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the unknown. Beliefs in extraterrestrial life are not a modern phenomenon. They date back to ancient civilizations. The ancient astronaut theories are a fascinating realm of speculation. They propose the idea that our ancestors may have had contact with beings from other worlds. Imagine extraterrestrial visitors descending from the cosmos, not to conquer but to guide and inspire. This is the heart of the ancient astronaut theory. Take, for instance, the megalithic structures scattered across the globe. Pyramids, Stonehenge, the statues of Easter Island. These marvels of antiquity have left many to wonder if such grand creations could have been constructed without a bit of extraterrestrial engineering. The remarkable precision, the alignment with celestial bodies, the sheer scale of these structures. It's easy to see why some believe they bear the fingerprints of alien architects. Then there's the wealth of ancient artwork and texts that appear to depict extraterrestrial encounters. From the cave paintings of Tassili Najer in Algeria that seem to portray beings in spacesuit-like attire, to the Indian epic Mahabharata filled with tales of celestial chariots and weapons of immense power. Could these be early accounts of UFO sightings and alien technology? And let's not forget the Sumerians of Mesopotamia, one of the earliest civilizations in history. Their cuneiform tablets speak of the Anunnaki, those who from heaven to earth came. These gods from the stars allegedly shared knowledge that propelled Sumerian society into a new age. Were the Anunnaki simply myth, or could they have been extraterrestrial visitors? These theories have certainly captured our collective imaginations. They propose an exciting narrative where humanity's progress is intertwined with alien intervention. Yet it's important to note that these theories, while intriguing, are largely speculative. The evidence is circumstantial, often based on interpretation rather than hard facts. These ancient theories, while fascinating, lack scientific evidence, yet they laid the groundwork for our modern speculations. They remind us that the quest for understanding our place in the cosmos is as old as civilization itself. Fast forward to the 20th century when a radio astronomer named Frank Drake proposed an equation to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in the Milky Way. In the early 1960s, during a meeting at the Green Bank Observatory in West Virginia, Drake introduced a formula that would become a cornerstone in our quest to understand the universe. The Drake equation, as it is now known, is a probabilistic argument used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. The equation is a product of 7 factors. It starts with the rate of formation of stars suitable for the development of intelligent life. Then it considers the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, the number of planets per solar system with an environment suitable for life, and the fraction of suitable planets on which life actually appears. Next, it accounts for the fraction of life-bearing planets on which intelligent life emerges, the fraction of civilizations that develop technology that releases detectable signs of their existence into space, and finally, the length of time such civilizations release detectable signals into space. While the Drake equation doesn't provide a definitive answer, it does frame the question in a scientific way. It allows us to quantify our ignorance, so to speak. Each factor in the equation encapsulates a major question in astrobiology, and as we gather more data, we can adjust these factors and refine our estimates. The equation has played a significant role in the scientific community's approach to the search for extraterrestrial life. It has inspired countless research projects and has been a focal point of discussions in the field of astrobiology. It's a tool that helps us explore the vastness of the universe and our place within it. The Drake equation, while not proving the existence of extraterrestrial life, demonstrates the scientific possibility of such existence. It reminds us that we may not be alone in the universe, and it motivates us to continue our search for life beyond Earth. In the face of increasing technological advancements, the question remains, where are they? This leads us to the Fermi paradox, named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, which asks why, given the high probability estimates provided by the Drake equation, we haven't had any contact with extraterrestrial life yet. It's a puzzling contradiction that has left scientists scratching their heads and UFO believers holding their breath. The paradox arises from the seeming vastness of the universe, teeming with billions upon billions of stars, many of which are likely to host planets similar to Earth. Given the age of the universe, it's reasonable to assume that there could be civilizations out there that have achieved interstellar travel, yet we have no concrete proof of their existence. Some modern theories try to explain this paradox. One such theory is the zoo hypothesis, suggesting that we're like animals in a zoo being observed by advanced civilizations, but they choose not to interfere with our natural progression. Another theory is the Great Filter. It suggests that at some point in the development of intelligent life, there's a barrier or filter that prevents civilizations from further progress, possibly leading to their extinction. This could be anything from a devastating nuclear war to an uncontrollable pandemic. If this is true, it's unsettling to think that we might face such a filter in our future. The rare Earth hypothesis is another theory that posits Earth might be unique in its ability to support complex life, making such life rare in the universe. If this is the case, it may explain our solitary existence. Of course, these are just theories. They may intrigue, inspire, or even frighten us, but they all underline the same point. We don't yet have a definitive answer to Fermi's question. The Fermi paradox raises important questions about our understanding of the universe and our place in it. And until we find concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, the paradox will continue to challenge our perceptions, fuel our curiosity, and drive our quest for knowledge. In recent years, UFO sightings have added a new dimension to the discussion surrounding extraterrestrial life. This is not just about grainy videos captured by amateur stargazers or tales spun by those who swear they've been abducted by aliens. No, the narrative has shifted dramatically as even the world's most powerful governments have begun to acknowledge these mysterious sightings. Let's take the United States government, for example. Only a few years back, in 2020, it officially declassified 3 videos of unidentified aerial phenomena, the official term for UFOs. These were not the products of high-tech CGI or elaborate hoaxes, but were captured by none other than the Navy's own pilots. The objects displayed in these videos exhibited flight characteristics that, according to physics as we understand it, should be impossible. And then, in 2021, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence released a groundbreaking report. It analyzed 144 sightings of unidentified aerial phenomena from US government sources between 2004 and 2021. The report concluded that most of the sightings could not be easily explained and certainly could not be dismissed as weather phenomena or misidentified aircraft. These acknowledgements by the US government have caused a seismic shift in the conversation about UFOs and potential extraterrestrial life. They've forced us to confront the possibility that we may not be alone in this vast universe, and that our understanding of physics and technology might just be in its infancy. But let's be clear, the government's acknowledgement of these sightings does not equate to an admission of extraterrestrial life. The sightings remain unidentified, and their origins, terrestrial or otherwise, are still a mystery. While these sightings don't prove the existence of extraterrestrial life, they add another layer of intrigue to the ongoing debate. The quest for answers continues, and with each new sighting, the mystery deepens, and our curiosity is further piqued. So as we look up at the night sky, we can't help but wonder, what else is out there? From ancient theories to modern scientific equations, the question of whether we are alone in the universe has captivated humanity for centuries. We've journeyed together through the sands of time, exploring the concept of ancient astronauts and their potential influence on civilizations past. We've pondered on how our ancestors might have interpreted what they didn't understand, often attributing these phenomena to gods or celestial beings. We've delved into the Drake equation, a mathematical formula that attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations that may exist within our galaxy. This equation, while not definitive, gives us a framework to explore the immense possibilities that lie beyond our own planet. We've also grappled with the Fermi paradox, which juxtaposes the high probability of extraterrestrial life with the lack of contact or evidence. This paradox stirs up more questions than answers, fueling our curiosity and our determination to seek the truth. And of course, we've examined the surge of recent UFO sightings and the role of governments in investigating these phenomena. These sightings, often shrouded in secrecy and speculation, add another layer of complexity to our search for extraterrestrial life. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is for certain: the quest for answers about extraterrestrial life continues to inspire, intrigue, and challenge us all.